Okay, if you want to change system language on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here, search for the General Management tab, and after this, select the first section Language. So now I have only one language, which is English, and my phone is an English language. And to change it, we'll need to go in the Add Language section, and here you'll see many options for the language of your phone. For example, let's choose Ukrainian, and here we have two options. Keep the current language as a default for the phone, as English in my case, or set as default our new language, Ukrainian. So let's set it as default, and now in a couple of seconds, your phone will translate to Ukrainian language. So to switch back to the English, you will need to tap on it, then tap on this blue button, and wait a couple of seconds till it will transform again. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.